But this is what life looks like now. We have to fight it.
If you don't fight, you die. This is your way of life now.
Making it now. You really think you can do that without getting blood on your hands?
Ain't nobody's hands clean in what's left of this world. We're all the same.
There's something happening here. What it is ain't exactly clear. There's a man with a gun over there, telling me I got to beware.
You are so gonna regret crossing me in a few minutes.
And the ones out there, they'll hunt us. They'll find us. They'll try to kill us.
People out there are always looking for an angle, looking to play on your weakness.
But we'll kill them. You will be torn apart by teeth or bullets.
We go in!
We kill them all.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry it had to come to this.
You screwed up. Do you have any idea who you're talking to? Christ.
Pissing our pants yet? Eeny. Meeny. Miny. Mo. Hell, you're all gonna be doing that.
Thank you.
Boy, do I have a feeling we're getting close.